Why organize your photos in cloud storage?
Keeping your photos organized in the cloud helps you find memories faster, share albums more easily, and secure your images from accidental loss. With so many photos from phones and cameras, a good system saves time and avoids frustration. Cloud storage also offers automatic backups, making it a smart and practical choice for preserving precious moments.
Sorting photos. Creating folders and albums.
Start by creating folders or albums based on events, dates, or locations, whichever system makes the most sense for you. For example, try categories like vacations, family events, or work projects. Consistently adding new photos to these folders keeps your collection tidy, so you can quickly locate any image when needed.
Using tags and descriptions effectively.
Take advantage of tagging and description features available in most cloud storage apps. Adding tags like friends, nature, or food makes searching fast and flexible. Descriptions can provide details about the location, people, or significance of a photo, adding context and making memories easier to recall later on.
Backing up photos. Essential strategies.
Regularly back up your cloud photos to another service or external drive. Many cloud providers offer automatic backup options, but confirming extra copies ensures you're protected from accidental deletion or service outages. Turning on version history, where available, can help you restore earlier edits or recover deleted images when necessary.
Maintaining your photo library over time.
Set aside time every month or season to review and organize new photos. Delete duplicates or unwanted snaps. Update tags and move images into the right folders. Periodic maintenance stops clutter before it builds up and keeps your photo library organized, accessible, and enjoyable for years to come.